Hello again, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. Welcome back for another week of Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the syntax, arguments, and structure of LSL commands for your convenience for those who happen to like how I present information. So, those who watched Coder Kitty's workshop know that I'm trying out a new place to do my recording, but this isn't the place to go on at length about it, so I will cut straight to the chase. Today, for Coder Kitty Decoded, we are going over the set animation override command. This is the key structure for any animation overrides you find out there, and it is different from normally setting animations because it automatically replaces a default animation in SL. If you look briefly at the wiki, you can actually see the different options you have. You can replace crouch, crouch walk, falling, etc. all the way down the list with any animation you have available in the object in question. So, how does that actually work out in practice? We have here, you have to use the get permissions, which we've covered in a previous Coder Kitty Decoded, in order to get the permission to override animation. As shown right here, request permission from detected key, permission override animations. You can then set animation override, in this case overriding the standing animation with a Gaelic dance. I've already was using this in my other video, so I already had my permission. And there you go. If I'm standing, I'm dancing. If I'm walking regularly, I'm using currently the default SL animation. If I stop, I immediately start dancing. I can... Here we go. Dancing. If I start to turn, that is a different animation, and so it goes back to default, but as soon as I stop, I'm dancing. So, the key parts, there are 3 key parts for it. One is you have to get the animation permission, or get the permission override animation. Then you have to tell it which animation state you're overriding and what animation you're overriding it with, and make sure that the object has that animation to work off of to trigger it. So that is how you use set animation override, and that will be it for this week of Coder Kitty Decoded. Please remember to check out my other regular series, Coder Kitty's Workshop, where every lesson is a project, every project is a lesson. I have links to the playlists for those in the description below, and do try to check our back around Thursdays, when I now am running a Coder Kitty reviews, where I do product reviews in Second Life. I could also start doing a regular sort of, real-life vlog type thing in here if people are interested. Let me know in the Discord, link in the description, or in the comments. Until then, good day, good week, good luck, happy coding.